GPT-5 is revolutionizing the way AI communicates by embracing multiple modalities, propelling it beyond the confines of traditional text-based interactions. It's no longer limited to merely processing and generating text. Instead, GPT-5 aspires to mirror human expressions and tones, elevating AI communication to a new level of realism. This groundbreaking approach allows GPT-5 to transcend the limitations of language, making it more intuitive and relatable to users. OpenAI's vision for GPT-5 is nothing short of extraordinary. They see a future where AI can seamlessly communicate through video and audio just like humans. Wonderful! Imagine having conversations with an AI that not only understands your words but also recognizes your emotions and gestures, and gets upset about them. Pioneering technologies like Meta's ImageBind and NVIDIA's text-to-video AI have already begun to explore the potential of multimodal AI. Their successes provide a solid foundation for GPT-5's exceptional versatility. With each innovation pushing the boundaries further, GPT-5 is poised to be a game-changer, offering users an AI experience that feels remarkably human-like, blurring the lines between human and machine communication like never before. GPT-5 is poised for unparalleled success, building on the achievements of its impressive predecessors. GPT 3.5's exceptional performance, scoring an impressive 670 out of 800 in the SAT, evidence-based writing and reading test, left us in awe of its capabilities. GPT-4 then took it up a notch, surpassing expectations with a remarkable 710 out of 800. With such an outstanding track record, it's evident that GPT-5 will shatter existing boundaries and deliver even more astounding results. The anticipation for GPT-5's release is palpable, and rightfully so. With a proven track record of excellence, GPT-5 holds the potential to unlock new frontiers in AI and revolutionize various industries, from natural language processing to creative content generation. GPT-5's development comes with an exciting twist. As AI evolves, it surprises even its creators by learning new things beyond what it was originally taught. This means GPT-5 can pick up cool skills on its own, which opens up lots of exciting possibilities. But it also brings up some worries. We need to manage it responsibly to make sure it's used for good and doesn't cause harm. Keeping an eye on its growth and making sure it follows ethical rules are crucial. By doing this, we can make the most of GPT-5's potential while keeping things safe and beneficial for all of us. Here's where things get really cool. GPT-5 is like an AI with a theory of mind, just like how we understand what others might be thinking or feeling. As its smarts begin to grow, it starts grasping the mental states of people, leading to more empathetic interactions. This is a huge step forward in AI's understanding of how humans think and feel. But, as with any powerful thinking, we need to be careful. More intelligence means more responsibility. We have to strike a balance by keeping a close eye on its growth and making sure it follows ethical guidelines. It's a fascinating journey for GPT-5, and we're excited to see how it will interact with us humans in more human-like ways. Let's make sure it's a positive and beneficial experience for all of us. Trust is super important when we talk about AI. GPT-5 knows this, and it's all about being reliable. It works hard to minimize hallucinations, which are when the AI gives answers that sound too sure of themselves but aren't backed up with good reasons. OpenAI wants to make sure you can trust GPT-5 to give you accurate and dependable answers every time. By reducing hallucinations, GPT-5 aims to boost your confidence in using it. Imagine having a helpful AI buddy that you can always count on for solid and trustworthy information. That's what GPT-5 is striving for. So you can rely on GPT-5 to be your reliable AI companion, giving you accurate responses and making sure you get the right info when you need it. Everyone is super excited for GPT-5 to come out, but we've got to be patient. Sam Altman wants to make sure everything is done right, so he delays GPT-5's training for 6 months. This decision came after an open letter raised concerns about the risks of powerful AI systems. Being responsible is crucial in AI development. By taking this time, they can carefully look at any potential challenges and make sure GPT-5 is safe and ethical to use. They're doing double-checking to avoid any problems down the road. So while we might have to wait a bit longer, it's for a good reason. We want GPT-5 to be a smart and safe AI friend we can all rely on. And by making sure it's developed responsibly, we can have peace of mind when using this awesome technology. So let's be patient and look forward to the fantastic things GPT-5 will bring when it's ready. Oh, the future with GPT-5 is going to be amazing. It's like stepping into a whole new world of AI wonders. With its emerging intelligence, there are endless possibilities waiting for us. But we've got to be careful too. It's like walking on a tightrope. We need to find that perfect balance between letting AI grow and making sure it's doing good for us all. We need to develop GPT-5 with our best foot forward and follow ethical rules. This way we can guide AI in a positive direction and make sure it benefits society. It's like being a good guide for this new technology. So let's embrace the future with GPT-5, full of exciting AI capabilities. And by being responsible and ethical, we can shape this technology into a force that brings goodness and progress to our world. It's an incredible journey ahead, and together we can make it awesome. The release date for GPT-5 is still a mystery, but one thing's for sure, it's gonna be a game changer. GPT-5's journey is all about bringing fresh ideas and moving AI forward. OpenAI is super committed to making sure AI develops in the best way possible, so we know it's going to be awesome. We're in for some exciting times as GPT-5 gets ready to reshape the whole AI world. It's like turning a new page in the AI storybook, and we can't wait to see what's next. So, even though we don't have the exact date yet, we know that GPT-5's innovation will bring us closer to a bright and transformative future. It's a thrilling chapter in the history of artificial intelligence, and we're eager to be a part of it. Get ready for some fantastic AI adventures ahead. And there you have it, the captivating tale of Sam Altman's GPT-5. The AI world is on the verge of a revolution. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share your excitement about OpenAI's GPT-5 in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the ever-evolving world of AI with NXT Gen. Stay curious and stay ahead.